Good evening, everybody. Welcome back to Bale Friends and Sandy's suggestions. I'm in the garden. What is my suggestion this week? Let's look right over here. Tomatoes. Now I'm growing a lot of different kinds of tomatoes. But what's my suggestion? Don't plant them so close together. I thought there was enough space for 6 of them. And really, it's only 4 of them, because the 2 in the front, they just didn't really grow very well. So really, there's only 4 in this space. It's still too close together. When I get back to Wyoming, this year I'm going to plant my tomatoes at least 3 feet apart. They just get too big. Because let's look over here. This is a massive amount of tomatoes. In fact, there's literally a citrus tree in the middle. I basically can't even find it anymore. My poor little D'Angelo in there. I can't see it. Maybe right over there you can see a tiny, tiny leaf sticking out. Plant your tomatoes farther apart because they will grow massive. In this area, I think I have 8 tomato plants. And it's not like it's a small area, it's pretty large. But this winter, those tomatoes have grown astronomically. Sandy's suggestion, grow them farther apart. Have a great evening, everybody.